I'll be sharing 7 important tips for starting your own business. Let's go. Hey everyone, my name is Orin and welcome back to my channel. If you're excited about this video, be sure to give this a big thumbs up right now. If you want to learn more about online businesses and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. So I met a gentleman the other day and he told me that he wants to start a business, but he does not know how to start his own business. These are my 7 tips that will help you to start your own business. Number 1, decide on what business you want to start. The very first thing that you need to do is to figure out and decide what business you want to start. This is the first step because without this, you'll not be able to move forward with anything. If you keep on planning that one day you will have some sort of business of your own that you will run, that will honestly just stay as a thought. Clarity is power, and having clarity on what you exactly want to start with your business will put you through the first step of starting your business. Number 2, find your business around something that you love and enjoy. If you're passionate about what you do, then that will have a much greater chance of success because you'll be putting your all into it and that will show. When you're starting your own business, make sure that it's something that you love and it's something that you know, because you'll be spending a lot of time and energy into it. Number 3, don't quit your job or make drastic changes in your life to start your business. Do not quit your day job and start your business while you're still employed. A lot of people jump into the idea of making a fresh start and leaving their job or their source of income to start a business. This is one of the common mistakes people make when they start a business because there's going to be plenty of extra expenses with your new business. And if you don't have a source of income or a source of cash coming in, then that is going to be very challenging. Most of the time when people take this kind of a decision, then they are not able to move ahead with their business and they end up quitting even before they can start. And apart from your business expenses, you'll also have your personal expenses and bills. And using your money from savings for all this is never a good idea. You have to be mindful that when you start a business, your profits will not start to come in immediately. So make sure that there is source of cash. Number 4, learn to delegate. When you're going to start your business, you might feel like you know most of the things that you need to do in the initial stages, or you might think that there is a lot of knowledge available online for free and you can learn and execute on your own. Or you might be a perfectionist and you want to do it yourself, or you may also think that this will cut some expenses, but trust me, learning to delegate your work is very, very important. I've said this in the past that I personally have struggled with delegating work and I sometimes still do, but if you are not going to learn to delegate your work, you will not be able to run your business or scale and grow. It is not possible for one person to do everything. Yes, initially you can manage a few things on your own, but you will be needing some kind of support even if it's outsourced. But as your business progresses, build your team because there is great strength and power in having your own team. Number 5, do your research. Doing your research prior to setting up your business is very, very important. You should be well aware of your industry, competition, market conditions, risk, trends, opportunities, and your potential customers. Make sure to have a business plan. Writing up a good business plan will put all of these things in place. A good business plan will help you to understand how to execute proper research. Number 6, be professional. You absolutely must show professionalism in your business from the get-go. No matter how small of a business it is initially or how friendly your clients or your suppliers are, you must absolutely at all times maintain professionalism. You can be nice and friendly and polite, but you have to make sure that at the same time you're always very, very professional. Make sure to have a website, a business email, and business cards. Clients and companies will always remember your company the way you present it from the very beginning. And if you're going to be professional, they will also always take your company seriously. And number 7 is sorting out the legal part of your business. Getting your business complied in the legal framework can save you from a lot of trouble in the future. Having social media pages is not legally owning your business. Make sure to get your business registered in your state from your country. Once your business is legally registered and you have completed all the legal formalities as per your country's laws and regulations, the next best thing to do is to open a business bank account. You can check for this with your local banks. They'll be able to help you out depending on the type of company you have registered. It will also be a good idea to get checked regarding your taxes and you can reach out to a tax professional and find out about the same. And finally, if you have a unique name for your business which no one else is using and you want that to remain yours, then I do suggest that you get it trademarked. Trademarking your business name will make it legally yours and no one will be able to use it now or even in the future. I have detailed videos on these topics of business names and trademark. I'll leave a link for his videos in my description box below. You can check them out if you want. If this video was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in comments below if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer most of them, and I'll see you in the next one.